Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Our mission at the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos and we teach you how to fix your car for free. Let's go ahead and start on it now.
Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel, guys. It means a lot. In today's video, guys, we'll be working here on a Chevy Cruze, guys. And we'll show you guys where to find the fuse for the ignition, for the ignition on that Chevy Cruze. Now you guys have five fuses for the ignition. So if you have problems with your ignition switch or car not starting, check those things out. Now we guys have more than 200 videos because our goal, guys, is to save you as much money as we can by providing these videos. All we need in return, please guys, subscribe, like, drop a comment below, let us know what you like, what you don't, so we can improve. Now, all the parts and tools, guys, that we use, including the replacement fuses, are listed in the description of the video below, and you can see where we get our parts from in there for a pretty good price. So we need to go ahead, open the hood now. Okay, and we have two fuse boxes, one under the hood, one inside the vehicle. We'll need to go ahead and work on both of them. So this one, guys, now, okay, it has 1, 2, 3 clips that we need to squish towards each other and pull up. Okay, check it out, this one came loose already. Perfect. Now the fuses, guys, okay, that we need to check. Okay, let me grab the something to show you with, so I can tell you exactly which ones we need to do. Now fuse number 5, guys. Okay, fuse number 5 is this fuse right here. This is the first fuse that we need to check. So how we do that? Okay, right here now there is a fuse puller. There is one clip that we need to move back and pull it up. Okay, fuse number 5, I'll grab it. Okay, and if you don't know for sure if the fuse is good or not, guys, we can definitely use a voltmeter. Okay, let me show you. We'll use a voltmeter to show you guys how to test them. Okay, probably 8 out of 10 times you can tell if a fuse is burnt or not just by looking at it, and if the element inside is burnt, okay, you can tell. But this one, it looks good to me, but let's just double check everything. So we set the voltmeter in continuity, guys. This is a really good voltmeter through RMS. Check it out, listed in the description of the video below. What we get? Zeros, continuity. So this is a good fuse, guys. Number 5 is definitely a good fuse. Now I'll go ahead and reinsert this one. Now we need to find, guys, fuse number 16. Okay, this fuse right here. This is the fuse. So I'll go ahead, pull that one now out. And 16 is only, okay, 7.5 amp fuse. So that 7.5 amp, sometimes it's hard to tell if it's burnt or not. I'm going to test it. Nothing, guys, this is a bad fuse. So I'll get a replacement one quick, okay. This is, guys, the replacement fuses that we use. 7.5 amp fuse right here. So this is another one. Next, we need to check, guys, fuse number 17. Okay, in our case, most likely this one was bad. 17 is for the ignition as well. And then we, guys, have one more fuse that we need to check, and this is fuse number 52, guys. We go all the way back here. Those are 4 of the fuses, guys, that are under the hood. Now, let me show you. We have one more. Okay, I already checked the one on the inside that in our case is good, but let me show you where it's located. So, next to the steering wheel, guys, right here, there is one cover. Pull it out, okay, and now we need to locate, guys, okay. You can see the fuse diagram on the back. But you will go ahead and see if you have fuse number 22. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5th fuse, guys. From bottom to top on the very right. Even if you have an empty spot, you count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's just a 2 amp fuse, guys. Okay, 2 amp fuse. And let me double check to make sure. Yep, it's just a 2 amp fuse. So those are, guys, the 5 fuses for the ignition on Chevy Cruze, guys. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe.
Hopefully guys the video was helpful and we were able to save you money. We guys have more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels. Check them out. We have videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.